Today, lesson number 1 from luxury brands. Kiss. Not the rock band Kiss, the kind of kiss I just gave you. The kind of kiss you get from luxury brands. You think 5-syllable words make you smart? I beg to differ. I'm Lilli Cloud, and I'm the founder of Bluefeet. I help people get and succeed in careers that serve them and the world. And that's really the point I want to make today, is serving the world. You're not going to serve the world or serve yourself well if no one can actually understand what you're talking about, right? I mean, you want to make a connection. I want you to make a connection. That's what I spend my whole life, my whole career doing, is helping people make connections. It's a connection that you want. And sometimes people are afraid that they won't seem smart if they keep it simple. Au contraire, do not confuse these two things, okay? Now, first of all, I want to say we've all been in the room. I certainly have been in the room with a guy who uses $100 words and big concepts. Sounds like he has big concepts anyway. I'm not entirely sure. And people will be like, oh, he's so smart. Or, oh, I'm just not intelligent enough to really understand this person. Things like that make me crazy, because the sad part is they probably really do have something that they want to share. That's why they're standing up in front of a room talking to people, right? But the person on the receiving end is saying, oh, I'm not smart enough, but they're impressed, but they still don't get it. Like, how do they know what to do or what to believe? Well, I want you to be able to get your intended audience, your intended consumer, and that could be your boss, it could be your kid, it could be a colleague. I want you to get them to say yes to you or your ideas. So if you think about luxury brands, they keep it simple, right? The acronym, as you know, keep it simple, sugar or sweetie. Okay, I don't use the offensive word because you're not stupid, you're awesome, okay? And you're gonna keep it simple, just like a luxury brand. Think about it. If you go into a spa or into a fancy store on Rodeo Drive or somewhere else, everything is very simple. They make it easy for you. Are you ever really confused about a luxury brand when you encounter it? Probably not. You might be confused about the price. Fair enough, okay, if you're not a regular consumer. But the thing is, they keep it simple for you because that's what luxury is. It's for you. They want to pamper you. They're putting it on a silver platter for you. But the thing about it is, it's not simple for them. They've done all the work on the back end. On the back end, think about the craftsmanship that goes into creating a Coach bag. Then you have a beautiful bag that works for you, that's going to last you decades. And when you show up at the meeting, not only do you look cool and elegant, you also have things that you need at your fingertips because all of the craftsmanship and design went into that in advance. And once it gets to you, it's simple. Think about a luxury car. Same thing. Lots of design and lots of engineering goes into a luxury car. But when it gets to you, all that complexity comes down to some computer controls, really. And sometimes just a touch button or a gear shift. Shoot. I mean, I wish I had had a luxury car when I was taking my driver's test in high school. Like, I so wished, because the only thing I flunked, which I knew I would do, the only thing I flunked was the parallel parking. Well, shoot, a luxury car, we'll just park the car for you now. You don't even have to do that. It takes complex things and makes them simple. And that's what I want you to do, because that's not going to make you seem dumb at all. That's going to make you really smart. It's going to make you smart because you're going to be successful. You're going to connect. People are going to get it. So skip the 5-syllable words. skip, if at all possible, the 20-page report or the 10-paragraph email and try to get to the point. Now, whether you're writing or certainly if you're going into a meeting, even if you have just a few minutes, spend those few minutes thinking about your message points. What do you want to say? What's going to matter to them the most? And put it in an order that's going to pull them in, like get to the point. Don't go on and on and on for 20 minutes or even 3 or 4 before you even like they care, right? So even if you only have 5 minutes of time to just think through how can you make it simple for your boss or simple for the board or simple for whoever it is who's trying to consume it, okay? Also, keep your paragraph short, especially online, and emails, text, right? Like a text is so hard to read when it's like, 50,000 lines long. Okay, keep things short, short words. Short words do not make you dumb. Short words make you smart because I get it like that. It's so easy for me. So your job, lesson number 1 from a luxury good, give them a kiss. Keep it simple for them. Make it easy for them to say yes. And if you do, you are going to rock it. So go out there and do it. Okay. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.